Subscribe now and press the bell icon.
I'm not special, I'm just limited edition. I don't have an attitude. Just a personality that you can't handle. 80% of the boys have girlfriends. The rest 20% are having a brain. Boys are great, every girl should have one. I am a hot dude with a cool attitude. I'm not lazy, I'm just on my energy saving mode. A naughty thought a day keeps the stress away. Always set the goals high, bullseye, and don't drop until you get them. Desired result cool. Always trying to cool myself, attitude and knowledge are the best. Foundation of real beauty. Attitude is everything. Be silent and let your success shout. Boys like me belong to rain. Cool? Boys never realize how much one little thing can hurt a girl. Champions always try and play until they get it right. Trophy.